Hey boy, what is today?
Earth.
Earth? Earth what?
That's how this Earth nice and clean and have flowers.
Earth Day is get nice and clean and have lots of flowers? What are you doing with that shovel? You better cut that out, boy. You don't ride the shovel.
Do something good for the earth. Tell Daddy.
Do something good for the Earth.
Yep. Why isn't Earth Day every day?
I don't know.
Because we've got criminal children.
Criminal children?
Criminal adults that like to litter.
Uh-oh.
What happens when you litter? I don't litter. What happens when you litter, son?
And then he gets sick and also for food.
Animals look for food, and what happens?
And they eat sand.
They eat trash instead.
Oh no. So what are we doing? I see we're planting things. Is this the do good stuff for nature? Yeah. Well, what are we planting? Can you show me what we're planting?
We bet all have
Go show me.
what? We bet
We gotta plant that, those bushes.
one,
Okay.
and then we get this thing is
So now you got flowers over here.
this one. We get in this one.
Okay.
We get in this one, but that one is this season.
Okay. So we got some bushes, and then we got some blueberry bushes we gotta plant too, right? All right. All right, so we got our happy little digger here. Dig, 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 dig.
I'm a digger too.
You're a little digger too?
Chopper.
Okay,
I'm
you're a chopper.
chopper.
Yeah, that's all you do is chop. That's all you do is chop, chop, chop. And then baby girl, hey,
She's supervising.
are you cookie supervising? You got a cookie, huh? Let me see that cookie. Let me see that cookie. Where you going?
She said, no, you're going to take it.
I'm not gonna take your cookie. Tropical trees here. And a cookie monster. Uh-oh, you dropped a piece of your cookie. Cleaning up the dirt. We don't want to have leftover dirt. It's another one of our trees.
Hold that planting over there.
Tell me again, what does planting flowers do for the earth?
And then keep the earth nice and soury.
Nice and flowery? They don't have any other benefit? They just make it look nice and flowery? They don't do good for bees or anything like that? They do?
Yeah.
Flowers do good for bees?
And butterflies.
Yeah, and butterflies?
Without bees, you wouldn't be alive, right?
I don't know, ask science. I'm not a scientist.
Well, neither is my teacher. Obviously.
The question was, do you know what the job of a bee is? Let's see.
Like that.
Let's see if we can get an answer.
My science teacher isn't a very good teacher.
My science teacher isn't a very good teacher. This is what we're learning in school now, guys. Come on.
To produce honey
To produce honey. Bees' job is only to produce honey.
No. Ask my teacher, which will probably not be able to answer it because she's not a very good teacher at all. Seriously. I hope she never comes across this YouTube video. I don't care. She can look. We'll go. What is the job of the bee?
And they thank flowers.
They spray flowers?
Yep.
That's close enough. They spray flowers. Bees pollinate, yes. That's the whole point of bees, is to pollinate, not just to make honey.
Pollution? Pollution?
Now she's talking about the bees making pollution.
I didn't know bees made pollution.
Oh, there's your education at its finest, guys.
That's why we're homeschooling next year.
Yep. My 4-year-old knows more about the earth and the bees than this one over here.
Because he hasn't started school yet. He learned from mom, not a Well, who taught you when you were 4 years old? You. But I don't remember.
Guys, it's fun. It's important. Earth Day isn't just about the earth. It's about having fun, too. And that one over there creates all kinds of comic relief in the world. Alright, now we need to place the plant inside the hole. Should add some water to the hole first. Keep going. Fill it up about halfway. Alright, that's good. We're planting our tropical tree, right? Mm-hmm. Which one?
This one.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Which one is this?
The red one.
The red one?
Yep.
You like red?
Yeah.
Yeah, is red your favorite color?
Yep.
Alright. I'm sorry, these aren't trees, these are vines. They're called... Yeah. There you go. I don't know who thought they were trees. These are vines. Baby girl said they were trees. Didn't you, baby girl?
Don't you blame her.
Well, then whose fault was it?
Yours.
Uh-huh. I didn't buy them.
I only picked them up because they're pretty.
They're pretty. They're pretty and they're going to be viney. Alright, now it's time to plant the blueberry bushes. We got grapes that we've already planted, and then blackberries. Look at this. I already got some blackberries popping off of there. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I think it's cool. I just got to put in some posts for them to grow up. Some posts and fencing or whatever. So that way they can grow up on. I'll put some more grapes in probably over here. We're just planting stuff all over. We got plans to have all kinds of things planted. So we need to get some more blackberries, more grapes, and then we got 2 blueberries. And we got someone digging in the armadillo holes. Hey, quit digging in the armadillo holes. This is not a free-for-all dig up the yard.
Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope. Alright, first blueberry's going in. Eventually. That's fine. Hey, don't destroy my blueberry. Take it out softly. Be gentle. It's fragile. Get it out of there any second now. Any second now. Where's the Jeopardy theme song at? There it is. All right. That's a little too deep. You're going to want to put some more dirt back in there.
Ow!
Did something bite you?
No, pricker.
Don't put it back in there. Oh, man. Put some more dirt back in that hole. Why'd you put it back in there? Get out of there, little girl. Oh, you like playing in the mud just as much as anybody else, huh? Hey, what did I tell you? Get out of there, little girl. Okay, whatever. Alright, now check it. Hey, baby girl. Better watch out. She's gonna bury your hand in there with it. There we go, that's better. To sum up kind of what we did for Earth Day, in our own way, there's many different ways you can help the earth, and that also includes picking up trash, not just planting things. We planted blueberries. I already have these guys over here planted. I'm still excited about my blackberries. I mean, come on, check that out. Anyway. Yes, I know. Alright, and we got some vines over here planted. Someone thought they were trees. And we got these bushes, which are going to be pretty cool. Got 2 of them. And we already had a few things planted over here already. But now we have more. Now we got some pretty flowers for the bees to come and see. So that was our contribution to Earth Day. Earth Day was to plant and help promote a healthy growth around the yard. Like I said, there's many different ways to do it. And this was just one of ours this year. Last year we picked up trash. This year we planted things.